right here before you, I have the MacBook Pro stand. In the back, there's a small pass-through area where you can fit cables and wires through. In the front, there is a little ledge that you can rest your laptop on so it won't fall down. And it is made out of a good quality material, aluminum, so you know it is high quality. And that's how it looks when it's open. Alright, so I'm going to take the laptop off and I'm going to show you the cooling fan that's built into this. It's pretty neat. It is powered with a USB, so just for test purposes, I'm just connecting it to a power bank. Otherwise, you can just plug it into the USB port on your laptop and it should power it up as well. It does push a decent amount of air through. Any extra cooling power is great for any laptop, especially for MacBooks, which do get pretty hot, because it is an all-aluminum body. Alright, you guys let me know what you think about this laptop stand and leave a comment below. See you guys.